In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a static website on Google Cloud Platform with no-cost hosting. This is a fantastic option, particularly if you're starting out or trying to keep your hosting costs down. The process is fairly straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can follow along seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Cloud Console by visiting https://console.cloud.google.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the option to create a new project. Click on that. Creating a new project is essentially making a dedicated space within Google Cloud for your website or application. So give your new project a name that's easy for you to remember and relate to your website's purpose. Next, we need to set up cloud storage to hold your website's files. In the console, head over to the cloud storage section and select Create Bucket. A bucket is where we'll place your website files, so think of it just like a folder on your desktop. When naming this bucket, especially if you have a domain already, try to use a name that matches your domain name. This keeps things organized and straightforward. In the bucket creation process, you'll be prompted to choose a region. This is where the data will physically be stored, so you should try to select a region that's closest to where you expect the majority of your traffic to come from. Once selected, go ahead and click Create. Now let's upload your website files. Click on your newly created bucket and select the option to upload files. You'll need to select your HTML, CSS, and any JavaScript files your website uses. Once uploaded, these files will be the components of your static website. To ensure your site is accessible to the public, go to Bucket Permissions and set Public Access for all users. Here, you will assign a reader permission, which means your files can be accessed but not modified by the public. We're almost there. Now with your bucket open, find the website configuration section. We need to configure which pages will serve as your main page and error page. Set the main page as index.html and your error page as 404. These are standard practices for most websites, ensuring users always land on the right page and get a custom error message if something goes wrong. Don't forget to click Save before moving on. Once you've saved your configurations, it's time for the exciting part. Your static site is live. You'll find the URL for your site displayed, typically looking like https://storage.googleapis.com, your bucket name /index.html. Click on that link to see your website in action. And there you go. You've successfully created and deployed a static website on Google Cloud Platform without incurring hosting costs.